Hey everybody, it's Andy from Snow Camp Europe here, just with a quick update about February half term and ski school bookings. If you haven't already booked your ski school, then this is going to be very useful for you and maybe slightly disappointing. But we're obviously into February. This week we are entering the Vienna holidays, so it is going to be very busy. And then the second, third and fourth week is all of the other school holidays. Now, in the last 2 days, we have had to turn back bookings for private lessons, for morning private lessons, and we also had a cancellation because we couldn't offer somebody the lesson slots that they wanted. So the ski schools are extremely busy. As I've said on other videos, there is a shortage of ski teachers for 2 or 3 reasons. 1, COVID, still. 2, Brexit. And also ski schools can't get beds in Kaprun for extra teachers as they would normally over the half-term period. So we have got some more teachers coming into the resort for the busy period. However, we haven't got enough. Therefore, we have closed bookings on the 2nd and 3rd week of February for private lessons, and we can only book people into groups. Groups are therefore filling fast. If you haven't yet booked in your kids to kids ski school or you're going into adult groups, then I recommend you do it very, very quickly because the groups are going to fill. Once the groups get to the maximum legal number that we're allowed to have in a group, then those groups will also be taken off the offer. There are still a few slots for afternoon privates. We can't really take any more full day privates. And we definitely can't take any more morning privates. So if you were expecting to come and book into ski school once in resort, then do not leave it any longer. Email me and I will try and work out what we can fit in for you for afternoon privates, and I can get you booked into the groups pretty much straight away once you've got in contact. But if you are going to leave it till you get to resort, there is a very good chance that you will not be able to put your kids into groups because those groups could be full, and you might not get into adult groups because, again, those could be full. So get them booked up sooner rather than later. Other than that, folks, if you watch the Snow Report every Wednesday, you will see that the conditions are fantastic going into the February half term. We have had a lot of snow. We are getting a lot more snow in the coming days, and we've been in Zalumzi today. Fantastic conditions. Wind has been playing a part with some lift closures, but that wind looks like it is dying off on Monday, and then the sun is going to come out, and hopefully we'll have a very nice February half term 2 or 3 weeks. It's Andy from Snow Camp Europe saying comments below, hit the like button if you found this useful, share it with your friends if they're coming out over half term, and please email me if you want to get booked in. We'll try and get you booked in. Also, we can pre-book your ski hire and get that all sorted for you. Andy from Snow Camp Europe saying bye for now.